everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to change your currency on Bitpanda. If you're looking for a way to change your currency on Bitpanda, then it's quite easy. Simply open a web browser and go to the search box and type in bitpanda.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure to log into your Bitpanda account like you normally do. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and click on the profile picture at the top right hand corner, which will then open up an expanded menu. From the list, click on My Account button. Now you'll be able to see this interface where you can easily change your language and currency. To change your default currency for Bitpanda, go ahead and click on the little drop down under default currency and select a currency you'd like to change to. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your default currency on Bitpanda. So that's how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if it was. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.